Expected hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Rochester, Byron, Orinoco, Douglas, South Troy, Ring, Potsdam, Danesville, and Salem Corners. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is...
Oh! I think this is what Australia meant. What? Severe thunderstorm warning! Severe thunderstorm warning! What? Right, kjy80.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, south central Watertown County, central Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota. Expected at 3 a.m. Severe thunderstorm was indicated by Rochester. The following things are expected.
Wow, guys, kjy80. We get one.
Correct. The following events are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Other locations impacted by the storm. Salem Corners, Century High School, and
Wow.
A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge, Olmsted, and Wabasha. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties in Minnesota. This is New Weather Radio wkx41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in Lafourche, Wisconsin.
That. Ah, this is. Wow. Wow, that, I wasn't expecting that. Got 3 alerts. 3 alerts, one on kjy80, one on radio, and one. I mean, what are we? Wow. Wow. Should be that.